Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a clicker system, not a regular clicker like, only clicking, but also with upgrades. As you see, we have here upgrades for brick, and we have some brick, so when I mine it, I get this animation like the stone going to my inventory, and I get the bricks, and after I reach, for example, 30 bricks, I can buy an upgrade for 10, and as you see, I get minus 10, I get the upgrade, and now I got +5 instead of +1 bricks per hit, and I can upgrade another time, and now I will get 10, I guess. 10. And if I want to buy the previous upgrade, and as you see, I can't buy the previous upgrade, like it's say not enough res, but you can change that to you already have this or some other messages. So as you see, I can upgrade this, like you cannot as many upgrades you want, you don't need to have upgrades, is up to you, but I coming to you with this upgrade system to this clicker. So that's what we'll be doing in today's video. I hope you will enjoy this video, and let's make it. Okay, so I'm in UEFN right now. As you see, I think it's a new update, so new UI right here. And okay, not focus on update, but focus on the clicker system. So go to Verse Explorer and click on this box or on content. I think they also added content. It's not content, but okay, you can add to clickers like in your project name. Add new verse file to project, a verse device, and name it, for example, clicker system. Okay. Now you can open this. Let me grab it. Okay. And that's gonna be long code, but okay, let's start. First things will be agent data, which will be the class without concrete because we don't need editable agent data, and this will be the clickers upgrades, which will be the map with string and integer. So the string is the key and the int is a value hidden of this key. So for example, at clicker 1 we can have upgrade, and this is the value of the upgrades. For example, upgrade 10, upgrade million or something, but we will add it dynamically, not here manually, but okay. Next thing is hats data, which now require the touch concrete, okay, and here will be success hat, which will be the hat message device. So this is like successfully both and not enough resources, but you can add as much hats as you want. Maybe you need some more messages, it's up to you. Okay, next is clicker upgrade data, which will be the class with also concrete. Okay, so the concrete give us the ability to add editables, because if here we can't just do editable, like definitely we can, but as you see we get errors. Do I get error now? No, yeah. So we can can't add editable without the concrete in class. Okay, and next is clicker data. This class also concrete. Okay, but now we can focus on clicker system. So yes, we need the editable clickers data, which will be the array of clicker data. Okay, and next thing is hats data, because we don't want to manually connect all hats in each upgrade or each clicker, so I can set it up once in main system, and And next is agent data map. This map of the key is agent and the value is agent data. This is map. Okay, and we will need one function which is on player joint, and here we want to agent, okay, and if not agent data map for our agent, we want to set agent data map dot agent, like the T is the agent, and we want to set him agent data. So if player don't have his agent data, we just give it to him. Okay, now we can focus on our clicker data. So first things we need is a table clicker name, so string, so this is this key, the clicker name. Okay, another one is clicker prop, is the creative prop. So in my example this was this stone. Next is target's tail, so this is in animation, as you see, this rod was scaling down and scaling to this default scale. So this is the target scale as it's down. For example, I do this in editable because you maybe want to have, I know, bigger scale like 0.9 or less. So yeah, it's up to you. And next is animation time. This is also the delay, because in this clicker you can't really shoot with some miniguns. Like, you can disable it, but in that example you can shoot with minigun. I will show you how to delete it, but yeah, you can't shoot with minigun and just spamming the bricks. You need to wait 0.4, but you can delete it, no problem. And another one will be upgrades data. This is the array of clicker upgrade data. Okay. Oh. Next is prop manipulator. Prop manipulator device, and with prop manipulator we getting like if the prop being damaged or not. So, you know, reading this. Okay, and we need also the item granter to grant the items to player when hit. Device is equal to item granter device. Okay, next is maybe main device, which is optional of our clicker system. Okay, and also a variable can damage. It's a logic one, so true or false. And this is like this, applying this delay. So if you don't want delay on your clicker, like want to shoot with minigun and farm the stones or whatever, you just remove the 10 damage from the script and you don't have this delay. But if you want the delay, you can just leave the 10 damage. Okay, and next is clicker anim keyframes, which is the keyframe delta, and this is the array. And you need the import Fortnite from devices creative animation. This is this import. Okay, next we need a function on begin, void equals and return. Okay, and another function is on damaged, which require agent, also void equals return, and on anim completed, so on animation completed, void equals return, and set keyframes. Okay, so maybe we'll start with set keyframes. So we need the inverse target scale. So this is your target scale. Yeah, I spelled wrong. Target scale. Okay, so this is your default prop scale, and so we need to set it, or maybe I will just do this with editable. Default prop scale should be 1.0. Oh, okay, never mind. And yeah, this is your default prop scale, and we need like inverse target scale to bring them back into default scale. That's how T-frame works. So down style T-frame, which will be the T-frame delta is equals to T-frame delta, okay? And we need here the delta location, which will be vector 3, x 0.0, y 0.0, and z also 0.0. This is not like the word location 0.000, but this is how much it needs to move. So for example, if you want 100, for example, this is our prop, it will move in x plus 100, so it will be minus 150. So yeah, not just take it like a word position, but this is like how much it needs to move. So that's why you have 0, 0, 0, because we don't want to move this prop. Delta rotation is identity rotation, so we don't want to change rotation. Delta scale is vector 3, where x is our target scale. Target scale, y is also our target scale, and z the same. Okay, next we have time, which is our animation time divided by 2, and we need to add import. I think the new imports is with Verse, like in this update they added right, up, left, I don't remember, but something like that. But we need these from Unreal Engine temporary special map. Okay, that's why divided by 2, because if we will have also the up, so we want to, like, you know, divide it all by 2, because we have 2 states of this animation. And next is interpolation, which is in. You can change this interpolation, just click Control and click, and you will have all the description to each. You can pick whatever you want. I will go with is in. Okay, next is upscale T-frame, which is also the T-frame there, so we can just copy this. Yeah, then the delta rotation leaves the same, rotation also the same, but this delta scale is inverse target scale. And we need to set clicker anim T-frames is equal to array and down. This is the first T-frame, and up. So this is also the order of this T-frame that needs to be, you know, the animation will go like in order. So first this T-frame, first this. So if I change the order like this, it will just, you know, yeah, go first up, then down, and then up, but we want to go first down and then up. Okay, and this function we can fire in on begin. Next, on anim complete, we just need to set and image is equal to true. If you don't use set the image, you can just completely delete this. Okay, and next is our on damaged. So first we need to get the main device. So if main device is our maybe main device and question mark to get the optional. Next is agent data, which is main device and agent data map for our agent. Okay, and next is current upgrade. So current upgrade, which is agent data that glitters upgrades at t glitter name. Okay, so the next things we need to check if can damage is equals to true. So for example, if we shoot in with gun, this will return our false. So yeah, the animation needs to be completed. Okay, and if this is true, so player can damage it, we need to set it up to false. Okay. Next we need to get the prop anim controller from our prop. So clicker prop get animation controller. Okay. Next we need to get the anim state, which is prop anim controller get state. So we have different states. And invalid object animation set, stop playing, paused. Okay, and next we need to check if anim state is equals, so we can go back here and copy this anim controller state dot animation not set, animation not set, or anim state is equal to animation controller state dot stop it. Okay, and after that we want to set the animation, so prop anim controller set animation, and our keyframes is clicker anim keyframes, and mode is okay, we need to do the optional mode, and we need to get mode somehow. I think it was animation mode dot one shot. Yeah, so yeah, as you see, one shot, pinpoint and loop the description to it, but we need one shot, we don't want to loop it or some pinpoint. Okay, and next prop anim controller dot play, so we want to play that animation. And after that we need to item granter dot grant item at index, like grant item index agent, and item index will be our current upgrade. Okay. Okay, so we can now set it up the on begin. So we need the this little thing, this if, because we need to get the prop control anim controller, and prop anim controller that movement completed event subscribe to on anim completed, so the player can damage the creature one more time. Okay, and also we need to subscribe to our prop manipulator, so prop manipulator damaged event subscribe to on damaged. Okay, then build verse code and go to clicker upgrade data. Okay, so now we need to add edit table which upgrade. Okay, this is the int edit table price of this upgrade, so how much it costs. Edit table button, so this is button for buy this upgrade, button device is equal to button device. Okay, and next is edit table and conditional button. Okay, conditional button device, so this is for checking the price and grabbing it from player. Var clicker name, but we need to set it up in var. Okay, wait, let me finish. In var and not in the table, because we don't want to put name manually in each upgrade. For example, if you have 100 upgrades, it's painful to set it up all manually, so we just do it dynamically in clicker upgrade, just this name set to each upgrade of the clicker. Okay, next is maybe main device, which is our optional from clicker data. Okay, and next is HADS data. This HADS data, this was HADS data. We do it with var and not edit table, because we have this in edit table right there, so we can just rewrite this. Next is on begin function return and check if can buy this is the logic, so return false for now, and also on upgrade by, and this require agent type void equals return. Okay, then make check if you can buy for now. Right, first, so player resources, rest, like this is the shortcut, res as resources, which will be the conditional button. Get item count for our agent. Oh, also we need agent here. Okay, and the item index will be 0. Okay, and if player resources is greater or equals to price, we need to return true, so player can buy it. So if player have, for example, this is 50 gold and price is 20, so player definitely can buy it, we return true. But we want it with dynamically with variables. Okay, and on upgrade bar we need to if main device. Okay, we need to get main device, and also we need clicker system, which will be the main device that maybe main device. Okay, and agent data map, which will be the clicker system dot agent data map, and our key is agent. Okay, next we need to fire the can buy, so this we can just we firing this function, so check if can buy, so it's return true or false. Okay, so this is like the logic, and it's like true or false. Okay, and if can buy is equals true, so player can buy it, and also the which upgrade is greater than agent data that clickers upgrades. Oh, I've put agent data map, sorry. Agent data map that clicker upgrades in the key clicker name. So if this upgrade is greater than current agent's upgrade to this clicker, so he don't have it yet, we can allow him to buy it. For example, if this upgrade is first and he already bought it first, so this is also 1, so he already have that upgrade, so why he need to buy it again? Like he only waste gold. So next it's conditional button, set item count required on key index 0, and count is our price. So we want to first, maybe we forgot to change it in conditional button, but don't worry, we checking like for sure if it gets charged the right amount. Okay, and next is activate for our agent. And okay, in hats data we want to show our success hat to the agent that buy it. Okay, and also set him an upgrade, so set agent data that clickers data map, sorry, that clickers upgrades at the key clicker name, so we can just copy this, and you want to be equals in our which upgrade. Okay, and we want to also add the else statement to this if statement, and we here want to show the error hat. Okay, show for agent. Okay, now we can go to our on begin in clicker data, because we need to set some things here. So if main device, so we can just copy this from on begin on damage, sorry, because we need main device here, and we need to do the for loop, so upgrade data, and we need to loop through our upgrade data like the array. Okay, and we need to set upgrade data that hats data is equal to main device that HUDs data. So we're getting the HUDs that you set in the clicker system. So with editable to this variable, as I told you, like this one. No, this one. Sorry. And okay, next we need to set upgrade data dot clicker name, and it needs to be equals to this clicker name, because I don't know if you want upgrades to another clicker in this clicker. I think no. Okay, so set upgrade data that maybe main device is equal to option self. Okay, and next is upgrade data dot on begin. Oh, I think we don't set on begin here. Yeah, so let's set it up. So button that interacted with event subscribe to on upgrade by. So every time player trigger the button, like interact with the button, this function will fire. Okay, and last thing is our clicker system. We need to set it up correctly now. Like, it's not bad enough, but we need to finish it. So we need to access the agent data map. So agent data, okay, and then we need to for loop through our clicker's data. So we can just copy this, add the for loop, okay, and if set agent data dot our clickers upgrades on clicker data dot clicker name, and it needs to be equal to 0. So we want all the clickers that you have on the map set their upgrade to 0. So the item granter items will grant correctly, because if you don't set it, it will be on default. I guess it will be nothing, so it will not pass through this line even. So we need to set it up here. Okay, next thing is we need to set up our on begin function. So for all players, we need to get the get play space and get players. Okay, so this function return as a array with all the players that currently playing on the map, and player, which will be the player in array in the this brackets all players. All players. Yeah. Okay, and now we need to fire our function on player joint. So as I said in each video, okay, maybe I will finish. So we need to get play space, player added event dot subscribe, and to on player joint. So okay, this function fire up every time like the new player join in progress. So for example, it's like you making, I don't know, red versus blue or something, and player join in progress. So for example, after 10 minutes. So this function, like player added event, is for players that join in progress, and this is for example when the round starts and new begin and players already are in game. So this function will be start for them because they not added to the game, they are already in the game. So that's why we need to do this. Okay, and next is for clickers data, so we can just copy this for loop because it's the same. Okay, we need to set clicker data dot maybe main device, and it needs to be equals option self. Okay, and clicker data on begin. Okay, and that's all that we need to do in code. Let's build the verse code. 0 errors, built successfully. Go to the UEFN and set up all the devices. So okay, go to your project files and drop clicker system into your map. Active verse device. Okay, first things we maybe set up the HUD. So HUD message device. This will be HUD success, Okay, message, I will use this emoji. And maybe successfully both. Okay. Message recipient, children player. Display time 2.5 seconds. Play sound, success. I will go with true one. Placement to custom and center. Okay. Intro animation, I will change to fade and zoom. The color, I will go with maybe this green one. Size 24. And okay. Can copy this HUD and rename it to error. And maybe not enough res. And change the emoji to this X one. Okay. And we want to change the sound to this error and change the color to some green. Okay. So now we can connect our HUDs, HUD success and HUD success and HUD error. Okay. And the clicker. So okay, maybe I will create the prop. So create folder BP and maybe the the blueprint class, and we need the building prop bp.clicker prop. Okay, and put some static mesh or just add it here. Some stone. Can add stone, right? Okay, so maybe I will add this cube. Yeah, I will add this cube. Maybe some material with some white one. Okay. And now we can need to go to this the mouse up here in this components tab and search for can be damaged and need to select this to true. And I think yeah, in this you don't have this. So we need to set the can be damaged to be true. And we can put this clicker to our map. Okay. And also if you want to change the style, don't change it here like do. Just go to your blueprint. Oh, if you have this, just click this open full blueprint editor. Click on your BP clicker prop. Oh, you can have this. Okay, so it's on your static mesh and just change the size here. So even if it's at 1, yeah, I need to just, oh, it's 2. I think it's only the static mesh will go up this scale. Okay, maybe they change something in this update. Or maybe you just need to add the static mesh. Yeah, I think you need to add the static mesh. Yeah, so it's better, so add another static mesh and just place it here. This one add to clear. We also need to clear here. And this static mesh you can now change the scale. So changing the scale in this game so it's better. Okay, so I placed our blueprint. As you see, I have scale 1 and I set the scale to be 2, for example. And it's still scale 1, but it's much bigger. Yeah, but still I have this. I think it's not like showing properly. Just some bug. Yeah, I think. Because we don't have static mesh here. Yeah. Okay, so this is our clicker. Next we need to add our prop manipulator device. So search for prop manipulator and we need to list the advanced. Affect all objects in a zone, click to true, to this checkerboard, and you need to make sure it's fitting our clicker. It don't need to be perfect, but just fitting the clicker. I will do this small box. Okay, and we can start connecting. Clicker name, I will name it clicker 1. You can change whatever you want, like for example tube clicker is also will work, but I will name it clicker 1. Clicker prop is our clicker. Okay, default prop scale 1, target scale 0.85, nice. Animation time, there we can leave it. Prop manipulator, our prop manipulator. Oh, item granter also, but we can maybe add 3 upgrades for now. So we need the button and conditional button to our upgrades. So drop button for now and the conditional button. Okay, I will just add to name up 1 to them and button up 1. Okay, so I will know this is upgrade 1, and for rest will be upgrade 2, upgrade 3, upgrade 5. Okay, you need to place the button like here on this hologram. Interaction time of button I will do 0.5 because player will know that they click this button and not just they will have this feeling of clicking the button. You know what I'm saying? And interaction text will be upgrade. Okay. Interaction radius will be 0.5 meters and visible during game to false. In the conditional button we need to key item to be, for example, gold. Okay, key index require 10 and disable interaction. Okay, so place this little up, maybe closer to a clicker, and just copy and paste it like 3 times or whatever you want. Okay, and this upgrade 2 will be cost more, like 50 golds, and third one will be 100. Okay, and now we need the item granter, and now it's really important, so I want you guys to listen. Okay, on grant action we want to keep all, grant current item, and we want to add how much upgrades you want, +1. +1, that's because the 0 is the default one, so the 0 without the upgrades. So that's why we here, this is, as you see, the default upgrade, the 0. So that's why the key item, like on index 0, as you see here, is our default upgrade. So for example, if I put gold 1, when player don't have any upgrades, he will receive 1 gold per hit. So this is the default one, and the first one is this first upgrade. So after the first one, he will receive 5 gold. After the second upgrade, so this middle one, he will receive the, for example, 10 gold. And after the last upgrade, he will receive 100 gold. Okay, and also we need to drop items at player location, set it to always, and go to your instant settings and search for pick up and search auto pick up worth resources to yes. So that's how we create this animation of these items going to the player from this clicker. Okay, and now we can connect our upgrades data. So this is this first upgrade, but we need which upgrade, set it to 1. The 0 is the default one, remember. The 0 is the default one, the upgrade starts with 1. The price is 10, the button is button up 1, and the conditional button is conditional button up 1. Okay, the index 1 is which upgrade 2, so this is basically this index plus 1. Price is how much? 50. Okay, 50. Button up 2 and conditional button up 2 also. Okay, so here will be 2 plus 1, so 3. Price is 100. Button is button up 3, and conditional button is conditional button up 3. Okay, So we have all set it up. Oh, item granter, I forgot. So also we need to set it up our item granter. And okay, we have it now. So launch the session and we'll test it out. So see you soon. I tested it and I forgot to mention that in Iceland settings you need the PyCharts. Maybe, yeah, start with PyCharts and PyCharts distribution to default. Maybe you forgot to add it in your map. I do so. And it's prop manipulator. You actually need to go down and modify prop health, set it to true, and is prop invulnerable to also true. And now we can start the session and test it. So go to our prop. As you see, we can't upgrade it, not enough resources. Okay. It's also an issue. Okay, maybe it's something wrong with this prop. Give me a second, I will try to find out what the issue is. Okay guys, so I found the issue, and our issue was 10 damage was set it up to false on default, but it needs to be set to true on default. So just go to your code, find 10 damage and change it to true. And now Verse code, Verse changes. And now all should work. So it's loading, and okay, and I hit, and boom, I get the gold with this animation. Okay, I hit 10 gold, I can buy an upgrade, and boom, successfully buff. And I hit, I get 5 gold. Okay, let's buff another upgrade. Let's maybe see if we can buy this one, and boom, we can't. I will try buy this one, and boom, I can. Let's see, I get more coins. So, as you see, all working. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If yes, you can leave a like and subscribe. And if you want the whole code from this video, you can join my Discord, and you will find the code on the tutorials channel, and with also all the codes from another's videos. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next time.